What's going on, everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name's Obex, and I'm a producer out of Texas. So today, I decided to create a playlist of how to work within Studio One, and this is my first video. Now, Studio One is my preference when creating music. I know there's a lot of DAWs out there that people like to work with. Seems like FL, seems to be the one that everyone uses. There's also Pro Tools, but me personally, I like Studio One. Now, I got introduced to Studio One through a producer that I know. So I've been working with Studio One for about 3 years, give or take. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and start this off. So today I'm going to be talking about how to extend your song length after you exported it for mastering. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now, when opening Studio One, you have the option to choose how long you want your song to be. You can start it from there. But let's just say you have your song length at 3 minutes and 30 seconds. However, when you go to export it within Studio One and you're sending it to master, sometimes it cuts off around the 2 minute mark or the 2 minute and 30 mark. It's basically not the same length that you chose when creating the song. So we're going to go ahead and start this. So I'll go ahead and open up a project that I was working on. And here's the beat right here. You can see here that I have it looped under a little, let's just say a little under 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay. Now, you would think that since it's looped between the starting point and a little under 3 minutes and 30 seconds, that when you send it for mastering, that it's going to take the whole length from the starting point to the end point. But sometimes it doesn't, and I'm going to show you what to do and how to fix that. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go to song, and then you want to add to project. I'm just going to go ahead and name this tutorial. And once you do that, it's going to take a while, and you'll see your file at the bottom there, the bottom corner. Okay, here we go. So let's go ahead and expand this as much as we can. As you can see here, you can tell that it cut off. It's not within, it's like maybe 2 minutes and 30 seconds. It doesn't complete the song. It doesn't finish it. So what we got to do is you want to go ahead and go to song. And then once you select song, you're going to go to the song option on your left hand corner right after edit. You're going to go ahead and select song setup. After you select song setup, this is where you want to go ahead and extend your song length. So you can see here where it says time base, where it says bars, you want to make sure that you select seconds. Once you select seconds, at the bottom where it says song start and song end, at song end, you want to go ahead and put how long your song is going to be so it doesn't get cut off. So say it's 3 minutes and 30 seconds, you're going to go ahead and input that here, 3 minutes and 30 seconds. From there, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and go back to song, and you are going to select add to project again. And you can go ahead and use the same add to the project, the tutorial that we were in already. So you can see here now that the song length is different. We'll go ahead and play it right here. And it ends the way it's supposed to end, so we could shorten that up. And we don't need that file anymore. So I'm going to be doing a lot more of these videos talking about Studio One, also breaking down some of my beats, different patterns and things like that. If there's something y'all want clarification on within Studio One, make sure you shoot me a message, leave a comment below, and hopefully I can do a video on it. In the description as well, I'm going to have a link to some of my beats. That way y'all could check the vibes out, see what I got going on. If you could do me a favor, please like and subscribe. I truly appreciate the support. See you soon on the next video. Stay up. Peace.